Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Ingress timeout on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. In order to fix this issue, what you need to do is open up your Instagram app, right? And once you are inside your Instagram, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your profile page, all you gotta do now is just simply tap on the 3-bar icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside, and once you tap that, simply tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside your settings and privacy, scroll down until you find the option that says help, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, select the option that says report a problem. And then tap on report a problem once again. And now here, either you can include and continue or don't include and continue. I'll just tap on don't include and continue, right? And now here, what you need to do is just simply explain the problem that you are having, like, hello Instagram, I'm having an issue with Ingress timeout error on Instagram. Can you help me to fix this issue? Something like this, and then screenshot the problem or screenshot your profile page and then attach it right here. And all you gotta do is now tap on send on the top right corner of the screen, and after a couple of days the Instagram will reach you and probably fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.